Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Rogue cabin air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve the air quality inside your vehicle and help your heating and air conditioning system run more efficiently. It usually takes about 15 minutes to complete, and you won't need any special tools. Let's get started and breathe easier on the road. To begin, you'll need to access the cabin air filter, which is typically located behind the glove box. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. Next, unhook the small dampener arm, usually found on the right side, by gently pulling it off its pin. Then, carefully push in on both sides of the glove box simultaneously to release the two stops. This will allow the glove box to swing down completely, revealing the filter housing. Once the glove box is lowered, you'll see a rectangular door, which is the cabin filter housing. This door is usually held in place by one or two clips or tabs. Gently unclip or pull the tab to remove this door. Now, you can carefully slide the old, dirty cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Take a moment to inspect the old filter for debris and clean out any leaves or dirt that may have accumulated inside the housing. Now it's time to install your new cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on the new filter. It typically points downwards or towards the rear of the vehicle. You may need to gently compress the filter slightly to fit it into the tight space. Slide it in until it's fully seated. Then, reattach the filter housing door, making sure it clicks securely. Finally, reverse the steps to put your glove box back in place. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.